Hey there. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to view your YouTube search history on your Android device. Step 1. Open YouTube on your Android. First, open the YouTube app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap Library. Tap on Library at the bottom right corner of the screen. Step 3. Tap History. Tap on History to access your YouTube search history. Step 4. Scroll down to see farther back in history. Scroll down to see your entire YouTube search history. If you want to see farther back in your history, simply keep scrolling, and that's it. You've successfully viewed your YouTube search history on your Android device. By following these simple steps, you can easily keep track of your search activity on YouTube and revisit videos that you've previously watched. It's important to note that if you want to clear your YouTube search history, you can do so by following the steps we outlined in our previous tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on your favorite apps and services. Thanks for watching.